Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Some people have asked if you can freeze cilantro. Let's say you've got a lot of extra cilantro and you want to do something with it and preserve it in some way. Yes, you can freeze cilantro. Some people say that it tends to lose its aroma when it is frozen, but it is still possible to freeze it. There's a couple different ways that you can freeze it. First, make sure you wash it and then pat it dry, and you could chop it up or leave it whole and put it in an airtight container of some sort and just pop it in your freezer. When you go to use it, don't bother thawing it out because it's going to get on the soggy side. Just use it frozen just like it is. Pop it into your smoothie or whatever you're going to do with it. Now, if that doesn't work for you, there is another way. You can wash it, chop it up into the desired size pieces, and then put the pieces in the little cubicles in an ice cube tray, cover them with water, pop them in the freezer. When they are frozen, take them out of the ice cube trays and put them in a plastic bag and store them that way. And again, when you go to use it, don't bother thawing it out. You want to use that whole ice cube just like it is. It would be good to put in a smoothie that way. Or if you're going to put it in a soup or a stew or something like that, put the ice cube in there toward the end of cooking time because you don't want to overcook your cilantro. It'll lose its flavor that way. Well, I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.